In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to text in a Mailchimp email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain words like "click here" into a live link that takes your readers to the right page, smoothly and professionally. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. Sign in as you normally would, and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. This ensures you're editing the right content from the start and avoids confusion later. Once you're in, go to Campaigns. This is your home base for all emails you've drafted, scheduled, or sent. Find the campaign you want to work on and open it. Then choose Design Email to launch the editor for that specific message. You'll see your layout on the left and your editing tools and content options nearby. In the Email Builder, click the text block that contains the sentence you want to edit. A text block is simply the area where your copy lives: headlines, paragraphs, or call-to-action lines. When you click it, the editing toolbar will appear, giving you formatting options like bold, italics, alignment, and, importantly, linking. Now highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. For example, select "click here," or even better, for clarity and accessibility, a descriptive phrase like "view the full guide" or "register for the webinar." Be precise with your selection, including all the characters you want to be clickable, and avoid trailing spaces so the link behaves correctly. With the text still highlighted, click the link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain and tells Mailchimp you're about to attach a destination to the selected text. This opens a field where you can add the target address. Paste your URL into the field. Use a complete URL that starts with https:// to prevent broken links. If you're linking to a file you've hosted, make sure it's publicly accessible. Keep your links clean and readable where possible, and double-check for typos. One missing character can break the path. Finally, click Insert or Save to apply your changes. Your selected text should now display as a link, often underlined or in a different color, depending on your template's style. If you need to tweak it, just click the text again and use the same toolbar to update or remove the link. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to text in your Mailchimp email. Clean links help readers know exactly where to go and can significantly improve clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.